Hey everybody, Dr. D with Midtown Family Wellness. I'm here with Miss Jackie. And Miss Jackie came in the other day, a couple days ago, with debilitating vertigo. And it started onset 3 weeks prior to her coming in. So she was suffering for 3 weeks, debilitating vertigo. And after your first adjustment, how'd you feel?
It was 99% completely gone. I was not able to lie in the bed and turn without the room completely spinning. So it's definitely a thing that you know whether it works or it doesn't work, and it worked.
99% better after one adjustment. So give us a couple more and I think we're getting you 100%. What do you think?
Absolutely.
If you got vertigo, you don't have to deal with it. Get adjusted. The upper bones of the neck, they regulate your eye-ear balance. And so if they're out of alignment, you're gonna feel dizzy, the room is spinning. Just get them into proper position and your eyes and ears can balance.